I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open the page you want and immediately get to work. Locate the browser menu, usually 3 dots or a share icon, and tap it. Once done, look for Find in Page or Find on Page and select it. This activates a search box. You do this because mobile keyboards and small screens hide inline search by default. Make sure the page has finished loading so results are accurate. Now type the exact word or phrase you need and watch matches highlight. After you type a term, refine it to get useful hits. Include whole words for precision or drop punctuation for broader matches. Once matches appear, use the on-screen next and previous arrows to jump through highlights quickly. This saves scrolling. If the app shows counts, note which match you're on. Make sure to check surrounding text for context, because some pages compress whitespace. If you want a narrower search, add another keyword or wrap phrases in quotes when supported. You're almost done. Tap a highlighted result and select text to copy or use the app's share function to export it. Once finished, close the Find box to restore full page controls and verify any links still respond. If you get 0 results, reload the page, clear the search field, and try a simpler keyword or remove special characters. Some mobile pages load content dynamically, so reloading often helps. If problems persist, switch to a different browser app and repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.